This video, we discuss the formula list to remember shares and dividends. As the first one says, number of shares always depends on the price what you buy it for, which means market value. So automatically, as you guys can see, number of shares nothing but investment by market value, MV always. For the second formula, which talks about investment, common sense, just crisscross the number of shares and market value, you tend to get your answer. The third one is kind of confusing but very important. Income, also known as dividend, depends on the price of the ticket which was printed, which is nothing but nominal value. Always remember this. Okay, number of shares depends on market value. Income depends, or dividend depends completely on the ticket price which was printed, NV. Now, based on this, as you guys can see, the formula is number of shares times NV times D percent, meaning dividend percent. Nothing to worry about this. It will be provided in your question papers by 100. Now, why the by 100 is required? Because wherever the percentage symbol is there, by 100 has to play a major role. Now, the last one is nothing but profit percent, also called as return percent, which involves both the I's. Now, why is there into 100? Again, the same old trick. Wherever there's a percentage symbol depends on the number 100. Now, both the I's, meaning income by investment, always depends on how much you make on how much ever you guys invested. Now, the last box, I would remember the last box, the left hand side as MVP. Most valuable player, the same concept, MVP, where MV is the market value, P percent equals whatever is remaining. What's the counter for MV? It's NV. What's the counter for P percent? It is D percent. Everything is going to be given to us in the question. Now, by chance, automatically there'll be a question running in your head. How do we remember so many formula? Very simple. If you can't, just make sure you guys write them all on your water bottle label, macha. The invigilator thinks you're trying to stay hydrated while you're just trying to copy and get your answers. Simple.